Hey guys, it's Casper here, and today I am here again at Knott. Do you want to be in the video? Okay, this is my friend Joshua. So we're just here in the park. We're going around places and stuff. So we're just checking out stuff. He got a mood ring necklace. So
no bobbers.
yeah, and we're just checking out the place right now. All of our friends that we were planning to hang out with, like we had a huge group of friends, and then they all just went their separate ways and they left us. So yeah, that's great.
one of them just ditched us.
I know, like she found one of her friends, Aiden, and then she just ran off, and we were like, where'd she go? We don't know where she went. So yeah, we're just here.
Hopefully she's safe.
We're here in Ghost Town, so yeah. And I'm vlogging in public, and I don't care. I swear I'm not short. He's just really tall, so he makes me look short, but I swear I'm not. Okay, so I'll let you guys know if we do anything else fun. We found our group, y'all. Say hi, Diana.
Hey.
Talia, if you want to be in it.
You guys want to go on the vlog ride?
And me.
Hi, Tess. Okay, so we found our group. We found our group. So
I'm not a big fan of
what? Ooh, look, it's a train.
100 band, 100 band, 100 band.
So everyone's in front of us right now. That's great. Did Ysidro just leave? Oh no, he's right there. Okay, guys. So we just went on on this chair ride, like where you get in a chair and then you spin, and I love those rides, but I didn't know that this particular ride goes so high, and Joshua was afraid of heights. Which is extremely ironic because he's over 6 feet tall. And he went on it, and I thought it was just going to be low, but it was extremely high. I almost hyperventilated.
My anxiety kicked in and was you're going to die.
Me too, he was screaming. He was screaming for a minute, and it was funny.
Can't do this.
Honestly. Hi!
You guys are going. She's gonna kill you guys on that.
You left me alone at the entrance. How dare you?
What's up, vlog?
The video got cut off. Michelle, do you want to say hi to the vlog?
To who?
The vlog.
Oh,
The vlog.
I thought you said Mulan. I'm like, oh. Okay, I'll go see you later.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye, Josh.
Okay, oh my god, my best friends are awesome. Look at them. They're so awesome. Okay, anyway. So, where was I? I was hyperventilating. And oh my god, it was scary, but it wasn't really that scary for me because I'm kind of used to it. But for Joshua, it was a whole new level, and I was like, oh my god. But yeah, so that happened.
I opened my eyes the first half, and then I just started closing them
Me too. I told him to close his eyes. Oh, I think we're going into Calico Park, maybe? We're
trying to find our way from Ghost Town to Boardwalk.
Friendly music.
The stability is probably really bad, and the lighting is atrocious. Oh my god, it smells so good. Yes! It smells so good in here.
It's the cinnamon bun place.
Yeah.
Wanna buy one?
I guess. There's the bakery.
I want something. I guess.
The bakery's right there if you want to get something. So I guess we're gonna get food now. Okay guys, so I don't think we got on any rides or anything. But we got some ices, but
this is $11.
it's extra. You want to be in the vlog?
Wait, is it soda?
No, it's icing.
Hi! We're at Knott's Berry Farm, and we're having fun.
Yes.
And I'm gonna take a sip. Do you have HIV?
No.
Okay. Do you have HIV? Do you have AIDS?
You already took a sip.
But just wanted to see if he had AIDS.
So I haven't done anything.
When the tea is
I
good.
haven't played with no
Yes.
mules. So I'm good.
Okay guys, so I'm nearly done, and he is also nearly done. He filmed the whole thing, and he has way more than me, and he's almost finished, just like I am. Like, well, I'm done. Finally. And he isn't done, but imagine that. This compared to this huge.
Yeah, I don't know how.
Like, just to compare from my head and my body.
You guys look what I did. So me and Brandon were having this little race. We were like, literally having a little race.
Lisette, do you want to be in the vlog?
I'm gonna kill myself.
Even though we can't even see you because your guys are backlit.
The first time I'm white and you cannot see me.
Look at these two, they're so cute. Aww. Okay guys, so
Where?
Raymond, Lisette, and Joshua ditched us.
Oh, no, we're not going
I went to the bathroom, thank you.
Oh, you went to the bathroom while we were walking in.
Right.
Yeah, I went to the bathroom.
Oh, you had to was that bad.
When we went to that hat dance thing right there,
I don't know what
it's like the spinny ride, and Joshua left us.
I had to go to the bathroom.
Sure. And now we're just sitting down, and you can't see me. Now we can see you guys.
White people, how you doing? Representing.
Lisette is like my whole entire mood.
That's what I strive for, baby.
Hi, Tess. We can't even see you.
I'm tired.
We can't see me either, though. Because, like, we're all backlit because the sun's right here. Say hi, Diana. If we can see you, I can't tell.
I didn't even tell you.
What? Y'all, they're cute, you guys. They're really cute.
I mean, don't treat him right, though.
Ooh, the shade.
You don't treat her well.
The shade. The shade.
You make her cry all the time. You don't even care when she's crying. And you know that.
Diana's shady. Diana's shady.
I just put my head.
Raymond's crying. Yeah, I know he's not.
You got roasted.
Me too.
You guys, they're really cute. Aww. That's the second time I caught them kissing on camera.
They fucking made out in front of me. They honestly
Never made out in front of you.
Yeah, you did.
I just finished all of that.
Carlos, you wanna go to Silver Bullet?
Okay guys, so I'm gonna try and vlog us on the bumper cars if I can, if there's like any place for me to put my phone.
Oh, hello.
Queen.
Oh, I wanted to go on
What? I'm so confused.
Did your phone just
Did the phone just die?
I hope not. I doubt it, but I hope not. There's okay guys, I'm gonna put you down here. You probably can't really see my face. But, okay. Wait, hold on. There we go. That's better. I got it. Queen. I got it. It's like right there. And they can see me fully. So I'm like, okay. Yeah, that's true. Oh yeah. Let's hope you guys don't fall. Okay, I think we're about to start it. Oh, I moved a bit. It fell! Oh god. It's gonna fall every single time. I'm sorry. Joshua! Where? I'm stuck in an intersection. I can't! I can't! It just won't! It just won't! I got it! Wait, it fell again! Queenie keeps falling! Got it. Sorry guys. Ah! That turn just... That was probably really busy and I'm probably gonna cut that out. Joshua, it's working! Ah! Say hi, Joshua! Ew, that was disgusting. Oh, we're stopping. That was awesome. Say hi. They probably thought I was recording them.
Please subscribe to my friend.
Say hi, Joshua. I'm back.
We're on Knoxbury Farm, and we just went rapping.
That ride is really. That ride was really fun. Okay. Queen. Were you in it, Britany? Were you in it?
Yes. Hi.
Alright, so I think we're gonna leave in a little bit, so yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. You guys, this is my friend Sunny.
No, I'm his best friend. You can't even see me, I'm so blind.
Girl, don't say that.
Girl!
Got my
Say hi. You can't even see because we're backlit from the sun. That's better. Okay, so we're just getting back to the like circle as I call it. Because Fortnite references, wow. Nah. Marcy! Do you want to be in the vlog? You kind of already are because I just talked to you. But
Hello!
this is my friend Marcy. She's precious. Jaylan! Do you want to be in the vlog?
Yeah. Hi!
Do you want to be in the vlog, Rachel? Hi, Adali. Hi, Julianna. Hi, Omar.
Hi, tuba player. Hi, drummer. Hi, guy with the cymbals. Hi, trumpeter.
I see everyone here. Do you want to be in the vlog?
The vlog?
Yeah, the vlog.
Oh my god.
Adali, do you want to be in the vlog?
Yes, I want ice cream now.
I'm just asking everyone if they want to be in the vlog. Oh my god, that's the biggest Pikachu I've ever seen. You got it. Oh, I think everyone's leaving.
Now we're leaving?
Yeah, I would guess so.
Now we leave to back go home.
Yep, to go back home. To
English
back
sucks.
to home.
English sucks.
Renika, do you want to be in the vlog? You can't even see because we're backlit. Hold up. There you go. Okay, so we just got our cinnamon buns. And we're gonna eat it before we get on the bus because we're not allowed to eat on the bus.
Or speak on the bus.
Yeah.
This is a little bit too big for me.
Cierra, do you want to be in the vlog? This is Cierra.
I take that back.
Alright, so we're gonna go through the tunnel right now. And I am backlit and you probably can't see me, but it's fine. Okay, so I'll record when we go in the bus. Okay guys, so it is weeks later. I'm always forgetting to do the outros for these videos somehow, so I'm just editing it. And I'm like, wait, I didn't even record us on the bus. Well, I mean, I did record us on the bus. I'll put that footage right there now. Dude, our bus driver was so crazy. I swear, it was the most hectic thing ever. But anyway, Well, that was all for this video, so I hope you guys liked it, and if you liked it, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Oh, and there's bloopers, so stay tuned for that. Okay, bye. Oh god, that was cringy. Don't ever do that again.
Look, I have an Alexander Hamilton.
You're gonna hack.
It was extra. I'm gonna put in the sound effects. Like, you know that one show, Extra? Extra! Yeah! So I'm gonna be like, ew, I went like this when I laughed and I was like,
Double chin, he lied.
what is that?
That's like a pretty good amount.
I can't keep that in, but that was hilarious.
Yeah, one more thing to the left.
What?
That we
This is great, isn't it?
Brandon.
Ah, I missed.
Kobe.
I quit. You were like, you said something and you were like,
Oh, forgot to on camera.
you were like, huh? I got it. Wait, it fell again. And what up? If you liked it, then yeah,
you're gonna need a blooper.